I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and choosing the right path. This saves time and avoids rework. First, confirm Windows version, virtualization, and disk space, then pick Android subsystem for integrated apps, Android Studio emulator for development, or a third-party player for performance. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS and update GPU drivers to reduce compatibility issues. Make sure to sign into your Microsoft account if using the subsystem. This unlocks the store and subsystem, downloads quickly and securely. Now you'll install and configure the runtime and tools for running apps. If using the Windows subsystem, enable the feature, install the Android image, and open the store. For emulators, install Android Studio, download an AVD image, and enable ADB. Allocate CPU cores, RAM, and storage for smooth performance, and set a sensible display resolution. Once configured, install APKs via the store, drag and drop, or ADB sideload. Grant runtime permissions so apps can access files, mic, and network as needed. Finish by testing the app end-to-end and optimizing for daily use. Launch the app, test touch/keyboard input, audio, and network access. Make sure file sharing works. If performance lags, enable hardware acceleration, tweak the power plan, or increase allocated RAM and CPU. If an app fails, check ADB or subsystem logs to pinpoint errors, reinstall the runtime image or emulator, and as a last resort, roll back recent Windows updates. One key tip: clear app cache and reboot the runtime before reinstalling to avoid repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.